Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Pick a primary font like Sego UI or Roboto for readability and modern appearance. Define a clear scale for sizes and weights across the app. Set base font sizes, 16px for body, 20px for headings, and 14px for captions. Use font weight and line height to improve legibility across window sizes. Apply text options. Text formatting mode ideal and clear type, hint for crisp text rendering on LCD screens. Store typography values in a resource dictionary for reuse and consistent iterative updates. Use grid and uniform spacing like 8px or 12px for consistent spacing rhythm. Favor grid and stack panel combinations to create predictable responsive layouts. Limit column widths to 960px for comfortable line lengths on wide displays. Use margin and padding resources to maintain consistent UI gaps and reduce visual clutter. Implement layout transform and viewbox selectively to support scaling without breaking proportions. Keep controls aligned to a visible baseline grid for a clean, ordered interface. Define primary and accent colors with hex values and use them via dynamic resource. Create a dark and light theme resource dictionary for user preference toggling. Use control templates and data templates to standardize button and list appearances across screens. Replace default Chrome with flat, subtle borders and 1px separators for clarity. Add subtle animations and 120 ms transitions to improve perceived responsiveness and guide attention. Optimize icons as 24px vector path geometry to scale crisply on high DPI displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.